Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script for World Paper Bag Day, which is on 12th of July. Everyone wants a beautiful environment and a healthy life. But how many of us wants to do things that makes the environment clean? Let me remind you that all will be better if we'll go green with paper bags. A very hearty morning to each and everyone present here. I, Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 with my classmates is standing here to lead you in today's morning assembly. Dear all, today is 12th July. Do you know why it is very important? It is because Paper Bag Day is observed globally on July 12th every year. This day is a reminder to contribute our bit to the environment, to make the earth plastic free, to encourage everyone to use paper over plastic, to spread awareness about the serious effects of plastic bags, and above all, to celebrate the paper bag, a noble invention, and step forward the globe greenery and healthy. And let us start our day with God's prayer first and pray to God to grant us the wisdom to care for the earth. So, everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, as a citizen of India, we have some responsibilities and duties towards our country, and pledge instills the sense of patriotism amongst us. Let's get ready to take a vow with Naushad from class 8th. Thank you very much, Naushad. Our thoughts influence our behaviors, choices, and ultimately outcomes. Whatever we do, any action we take is spurned by a single thought. And as we all know that without good or positive thoughts, our school assembly is incomplete. Next, I would like to invite Divya from class 8 for today's thought. Good morning, everyone. My name is Divya. Thought of the day is: the brown paper bag is the only one thing civilized human beings has produced that does not seem out to be in place of nature. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Divya. Daily news help us in staying aware of the happenings around the world. And do you know that reading newspaper makes a good habit and it's now a part of the modern life also. But due to hustle bustle in life, we don't get time to read the newspaper. Let's get news update for this. I would like to invite on stage Tapasya from class 8. Thank you very much, Tapasya. When we have a wider vocabulary in our target language, it also helps support all 4 language skills like reading, writing, listening, and speaking. A great number of words can help us to express our ideas in a meaningful manner. And it's time to enhance our vocabulary. For word of the day, I would like to invite on stage Reet from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Reet. Word of the day is upheaval. And the meaning of upheaval is a sudden big change, especially one that causes a lot of trouble. Synonyms of upheaval are disaster and eruption. Antonyms are order and peace. I'm using upheaval in a sentence. Moving to a different school can be a big upheaval for young children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for enhancing our vocabulary. We human ourselves brings changes in Mother Nature and imbalances everything. The Paper Bag Day is to make people aware and make them understand the harms and effects of plastic bags on Mother Nature. But how do paper bags aid us in the fight against environmental pollution and climate change? Next, I would like to invite on stage Nancy from class 8 to light upon this year's theme of Plastic Day, that is, if you are fantastic, do something dramatic. To cut the plastic, use paper bags. Thank you very much, Nancy, for such a knowledgeable speech. And after national anthem, dear all, billions of people started using paper bags nowadays. Let us feel grateful for paper bags, appreciate this invention, take pledge and do our bit for our environment. Avoid plastic bags and switch to paper bags. And here we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Thank you to all for your cooperation. Have a wonderful day ahead.